Hello! Welcome to another unboxing tech. Here is my iPhone 12 Pro. Currently, it's completely naked, so I've been treating it like a Renaissance period Disney princess, but I know it's only a matter of time until it just slips from my butterfingers. As someone who's used many different screen protectors in her lifetime, I've brought the penultimate of screen protectors, in my experience, that I would like to introduce today. The Ringke Invisible Defender and the Whitestone Dome 4-Fold Solution. First up is a standard tempered glass screen protector from Ringke. This screen protector is relatively inexpensive and it doesn't have a bunch of frills or tools needed for it, but extra stuff doesn't always mean the screen protector is better. All that comes with the screen protector are the screen cleaners, some alignment tape, and the screen protector. The installation method is also what you can typically expect from a screen protector. First, before I do anything else, I'm going to go ahead and clean the screen. Make sure to grab all the dust particles because that's ultimately what will decide your screen protector fate. I think that looks clean enough, so I'm going to carefully remove the plastic panel from the actual screen protector and just kinda eyeball the placement and let it drop and watch the magic happen. Now that the screen protector is actually on, let's perform some tests. First, here's a penny. On Mohs hardness scale, a penny will land around a 3. Ringke states that their screen protector lands about a 9. I would honestly give it maybe a 7 or an 8, but either way, it should be able to withstand a penny. And as we can see, it's clean. Next is a slide test. Most screen protectors nowadays do come with an oleophobic coating, which helps the smoothness of a screen and resists fingerprints as well. And the screen does feel smooth, and my finger doesn't catch awkwardly while it's gliding across it. Lastly, we have the case test. We're going to test it out with the Ringke Air case that I did review in another video of mine, link above if you want to check it out. The case goes on easily enough, and there isn't any lifting around the edges, and as you can see here, there's only a sliver of space left over. This is easily one of the best screen protectors on the market if you're looking for something that's basic and easy to install while still being nice to your wallet. Next up, we have with us a very popular brand, the Whitestone Dome. The 4-Fold Solution screen protector from Whitestone Dome is pretty revolutionary, and if you're even relatively interested in phone accessories, you've probably heard of them. However, the Whitestone Dome brand is a bit on the pricey side, but also check out everything that comes with it. The amount of stuff that's included with a single purchase of the Whitestone Dome screen protector is insane. However, despite all the tools that come with it, the installation method is pretty straightforward. I even asked a friend who's never installed a Whitestone Dome glass to try it out. The included jig is custom made to fit the device, so it should fit right into the crevice. Just make sure you use the included tapes to cover up the buttons and ports to make sure the solution doesn't get in them. After that, make sure the screen is completely clean, because it probably won't be as easy to fix any issues compared to standard screen protectors. So in order to begin the actual installation, place the top piece, making sure it fits into place, and put the included pin and the bridge into their respective slots. Whitestone Dome provides 2 adhesives, but you only need to use 1. Open the colored tab and fit it into the little hole in the bridge. The pressure will keep the adhesive from pouring out, so once everything is into place, open up the opposite cap and the adhesive should naturally pour out. Remove the film from the screen protector and make sure to set it on top of the black tab. The jig is made so that it can be tilted, so just use your hand to gently tilt it until the adhesive slides down and touches the screen protector. Then, remove the top pin. The liquid adhesive should naturally spread throughout the screen without us having to do anything. Once it's fully spread out, use the included UV light to cure the adhesive into place. And you're done! As you can tell, there are a lot of steps and you want to be really careful that you're following the exact instructions, but the end result, if you got everything right, should definitely be worth the trouble. Now, let's perform some tests. Putting a penny to the screen, we can see that it doesn't leave behind any scratches. So technically, you can put your phone in a pocket with a bunch of loose change and it should come out relatively unscathed, though I wouldn't recommend you test that. Next is a slide test. As stated before, most screen protectors do come with an oleophobic coating, and as we can see here, the screen looks great and feels super smooth as well. Lastly, case compatibility. All the cases we're trying out don't seem to touch the screen protector at all. You can see that there's a minimal amount of space between the screen protector and the case. So if you have a bit more leisure to spend on phone protection and the installation method hasn't scared you off, the Whitestone Dome is a great choice for a tempered glass screen protector. So those are the two screen protectors at completely different price points that I have to share with you today. Both of them are great, and I personally vouch for the protective ability and overall functionality. I hope I was able to help you find what you needed to complete your iPhone 12 protection. Thanks for sticking around until the end, and I'll see you later. Bye!